My first visit to Mexico City was one of a kind, and it should be on every foodie's bucket list. It's so good, so flavorful. One of the highlights of our trip was experiencing an authentic cooking class in the middle of a forest in the mountains. Look, yay!
Well done.
You did it.
Without any appliances or electricity, we cooked an entire meal over fire in handmade wood stoves. We began our experience in a local market about 30 miles south of Mexico City, and there we met our incredible tour guide, Luis.
We should buy tomatillo, but right here in Mexico we call tomate for the green one. That's the fruit of the cactus, tunas, that it's not a fish, for sure. Has spines right here, and inside has a fruit with a lot of seeds, and it's very juicy.
I'm gonna taste it.
Right?
We then headed through the mountains into the most gorgeous location. This was Luis's grandmother's cabin in the woods.
This town was the hydroelectric and the textile fabrics, and my grandfathers, my grand auntie parents, grandfather, sorry, they lost an fingers, they lost an eyes, because the factory was like very dangerous, and the owners doesn't matter. That was a big problem right here in this town. For the reason, when we won the Mexican Revolution, the government gave it back the land.
I took in all the beautiful sights and sounds. I also loved watching the local workers preparing the ingredients for the day. I couldn't wait to eat, y'all, but first we had to get cooking.
Hey!
I got my apron on.
Oh my God.
We began by chopping and preparing ingredients for an authentic tomatillo salsa.
Este se llama chile morita, lo vamos a ocupar para cocinar. Tenemos chile de árbol. This one is spicy. This other one is very flavory, but the other one is the spicy one. That's that we grill. Serrano. That has a lot of flavors like a green salsa, you know, like this vegetable flavor. The garlic, not a lot, so sorry. And tomatillos. That's it.
We chopped everything, then added it to an open fire to begin grilling and getting a sensational charred flavor. After they were grilled to perfection, we got to making our salsa. No blender around these parts, y'all. We used a large mortar molcajete.
Special because this one has in my family 3 generations. Yeah. We're gonna start with the peppers, garlic, and salt. That's it. And some onions. Woo. Some onions.
Okay.
First, we can start like this because we need a smash. But after, we need to make like this.
And we each took turns grinding it down. We definitely needed our arm strength for this one. Dang, this one is serious.
You can add some tomatillos.
Yes. Another favorite part of this experience was learning to make my own corn tortillas.
Oh,
Okay.
then like this.
Okay.
And you just should put it right here.
Okay.
Like this. That was very dangerous. Okay, close with the paper, with the plastic.
Yes.
Okay, give some space because
Space.
here's not on the middle.
Okay.
Close, but little soft. Watch out because this stuff is heavy. Okay. Now there is a gap right here. Put your right hand like this and use the stick to close.
Watch your fingers.
Yeah, watch your finger. Well done.
You did it. You did it.
All right.
Okay, now take it out. Remember that I showed you about your hand.
Yes.
Right hand should be right here.
Okay, right hand. Right here. Okay. Right down.
They were unlike anything I'd ever tasted. truly authentic and so full of flavor. After we each took turns making them, we started making some quesadillas and delicious tacos. So now I'm tasting the flowers. Can you see?
No, that's skillful.
So good, y'all.
That's green chorizo.
These were the best quesadillas and tacos I have ever tasted in my entire life.
Okay, here it is. Here it is, guys.
We also tried an incredible drink called pulque, made from agave.
The pulque is an ancestor drink. The Aztecs, they drink it. They drink it in special ceremonies and on rituals. Which you cannot get wrong with that because it wasn't special. Actually, exists the god of the pulque. The god of the pulque called Mayagüel. This drink was made from the agave, from the cactus. If you drink like a liter of this, that's enough. That's enough. That's a complete meal.
Mexico City is just filled with so much culture and beauty, and this experience will go down as one of the most incredible that I've ever had on a vacation. In fact, I can't wait to go back. It was just so memorable.
Gracias, gracias. Yes, amazing. So good.